Soberlink has been a crucial stepping stone in my journey of sobriety and helping me turn my life around. My addiction had hit a point of critical mass, essentially, where my life was spiraling out of control. I was on a path to destruction for myself as well as everyone around me. Ultimately, I knew that both myself and my family deserved better. I was ready for it, that accountability. I'm here in this office today because of you guys. I was in a position at work where, they were going to fire me. And they had called me into HR and I had told them about the device and that I was already voluntarily involved with it. Their first thought was, oh, well, you're just going to have somebody else blow into it. And I was like, well, no, look, it uses facial recognition. You can't cheat the device. It's invaluable, really. And then they said, well, then you're just going to alter the reports when you give them to us. And they're going to come directly from them. So they were like, okay, all right, well, we'll give this a try. Soberlink has been a crucial stepping stone in my journey of sobriety and helping me turn my life around. Due to the transparency that using Soberlink allowed me, I was able to maintain employment, regain trust and damaged relationships. But most importantly, show my daughter how serious sobriety is to me. Today, I get to be the father she deserves, and Soberlink is a huge part in a key to success there. Yes, I mean, as 6-year-olds, they're observant. They understand a lot more than, what you think they do. She's seen the change in me. I get to be there. I get to be in the moment, and I get to just enjoy all those things that I missed. I'd recommend Soberlink in early recovery for anyone suffering from addiction, because, often with our disease, causes us to act in ways we normally wouldn't. And that causes a violation of trust for those who care about us. In early recovery, you're often confronted by this lack of trust. Soberlink can provide them with the assurance and peace of mind that they deserve and help all parties move forward. If you're ready to stop being the person you don't want to be and you want to start being the person you can be, Soberlink is definitely here to help you. They've helped me. It's the best decision I made. It's a decision in my case I couldn't afford not to make. I gotta show you this real quick. This is my case. So my daughter's put stickers on it. It is Peppa Pig, yes.
Oh,
So she's proud of me.